Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about area of triangle. How to find area of a triangle by using the determinant. We know that the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given by the expression A is equals to area A is equals to half into bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. You already studied this formula in a high school section. This is the formula to find area of a triangle when three vertices of a triangle are given. So we can write this expression as, so A is equals to half into x1 square bracket x1 as it is y2 minus y3. So here little changes. When you taken out minus as common, when it becomes a minus into plus, minus x2 as it is. So there y1 minus y3, because if you taken out a common as minus as common, that is plus 1 minus y3 and plus x3 as it is, y1 minus y2 as it is, square bracket. Now this expression can be written in the form of a determinant as, so here determinant is equals to half into, because half is here, we can write this expression as in the determinant form x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So here what happens if we expand this determinant along C1, so here x1 x1 into half as it is, x1 into, after deleting the elements in which x1 lies in rows and columns, delete this one. The remaining things are y2 into 1 y2, because x1 in plus minus plus y2 into 1 y2 minus y3 into 1 y3 minus y3. Now this is minus x2. Delete all the elements in row and columns in which x2 exists. So this one. The remaining things are y1 1 y3 1. So y1 into 1 y1 minus y3 into 1 y3. Now plus x3, because plus minus x3 into bracket, after deleting the elements in the rows and columns in which x3 exists, y1 into 1 y1 minus y2 into 1 y2. So this expression is nothing but, this is the area of the triangle to find the area of the triangle by using the determinants. Delta is equals to half into determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Here some important notes are here regarding the area of the triangle. Since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. While calculating the area of the triangle by using determinants, we should take the positive value, because we keep the result in a positive, because area is always positive. So that while calculation, we have to take here mod. Instead of a square bracket, we have to take a mod, because mod always gives a positive value, means absolute value. You will learn about this later while solving the examples. Okay. Now moving to the second note. If area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. Here also you can you will understand this second note while solving the problems. Please remember, if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. And third one is, the area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is always 0. These are the three very important notes regarding to solve the examples based on the area of a triangle. So now we are going to solve the exercise number 4.3. First one, find the area of a triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. First one. So by using the properties of determinants, we have to find the area of a triangle. First one. Here they given x1 y1 is equals to 1 0 and x2 y2 6 0 and x3 y3 is equals to 4 3. So we know that area of the triangle delta is equals to half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Put the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 here. That is half into, what is x1 here? 1, x1 y1 1 0, x1 y1 1 0 1, x2 y2 6 0 1 6 0 1 6 0 1, and x3 y3 that is a 4 3, x3 y3 4 3. So 4 3 1 4 3 1. So you have to expand this determinant along R1, R2, or R3, or C1, C2, C3. So I am going to expand this determinant along C2 because there are maximum number of 0. For easier calculation, we have to expand the given determinant along the rows or columns in which maximum number of zeros are exist. So here the 2 zeros exist in C2. Hence, I am going to expand this determinant along C2. That is 1 by 2. Please remember, always write mod while calculating the area of the triangle, because according to the note 1, the value of the area is always positive, always absolute. Here 0. So here minus plus minus 0 plus 0 minus 3 into bracket. See here, after deleting the elements in which 3 exist in the rows and columns, 3 exist here. The remaining things are 1 into 1 1, 6 into 1 6 minus 6. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 0. So minus 3 minus 5 mod 1 by 2 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, that is 3 into 5 15. So that this is after removing the mod, this is mod, not determinant. But here in this calculation only we have to read as a mod, not determinant. Please remember, don't confuse mod and the determinant. So this is 15 by 2 square units. This is the required area of a triangle. If it is minus, after removing the mod, it becomes positive. Hence, that is why we have taken here mod. Please remember, if it is minus, after removing the mod, because if it is like this, so after removing the mod, it becomes a positive. Always taken the area of the triangle is positive. If it is negative, then after removing the mod, you have to get a minus plus 15. If it is minus 8, it becomes a 8 because it is a absolute value. According to the note 1, what is there? Since area is positive quantity, we always take a absolute value of the determinant. If it is positive, don't worry. If it is negative, so take always a positive value. This is the how to find area of the given triangle. Thank you.